We are welcoming you for a new episode of College Review. Today we are in Bengaluru City. Bengaluru City, the college name is ISME Bengaluru, which is known for its management program like PGDM, BBA, BCA, BCom. The college is 18 years of academic excellence. The college is accredited by the AICT, All India Council of Technical Education, AIU, Association of Indian University, and the NBA. Means they people have huge accreditation. They are the member of ESMB, which is International Accreditations. 30 plus best school by the Times of India in 2025 and 35 permanent faculty with international and corporate backgrounds. Advantages of smaller size like in BBA, they do have only 120 seats, in BCA only 80 seats, and BCom 60 seats only. And state of art campus, which we can show you inside the campus. On campus hostel, sports arena, world class astroturf, football field, basketball, volleyball court for all its students, amphitheater and many more. 2200 alumni network is here working in MNC in India and abroad. They do have many companies coming for the regular placements. The companies like all big four companies like KPMG, Federal Bank and many more, Grant Thorntons. So this is a small brief for the college side. Before starting this video, I would like to request, if you want to fill this college form, we do have the coupon code. With that coupon code, you can fill either free of cost form or the 50% discounted form. If you need pass out students name and number, you have my number on the screen 9891898289. उस पर कभी भी कॉल करिए, व्हाट्सअप करिए, so that I can share you the name and number of the pass out students or the current students. देखिए ये वही बच्चे हैं जिनको पता है कॉलेज के बारे में, they know each and everything about their college. उनसे बात करिए, पता करिए कॉलेज कैसा है बिफोर टेकिंग एडमिशन. सो आज हम बात करेंगे कॉलेज की फैकल्टी को लेके, कॉलेज के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को लेके, कॉलेज के स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस को लेके, कॉलेज की ROI को लेके. PGDM के बारे में बात नहीं करने जा रहे हैं. आज हम बात करेंगे द अंडर ग्रेजुएशन कोर्सेज लाइक BBA, BCom, BCA. देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू टेक एडमिशन इन BCom, BCA एंड BBA. सो आज हम ये वीडियो सिर्फ उन्हीं बच्चों के लिए डेडिकेट कर रहे हैं. देखने की कोशिश करेंगे कॉलेज को, बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे बच्चों से, समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि कॉलेज उनके लिए बेस्ट फिट है या नहीं. Whenever student enter to the campus, आपको इस तरह की फील, इस तरह की वाइब्स देखने को मिलेगी. We are in ISME college with a student of ISME. These students are BCom, BBA, BCA, means undergraduate students are here. इन्हीं से जानने की कोशिश करेंगे that how is ISME. ISME has made some promises to these students. Are these promises are fulfilling or not? Beta, your name?
Good morning, sir. I'm Aditi. I'm from Mysore. I'm currently pursuing my career in BBA. I'm in my 4th semester.
Tell me something about ISME. Why you choose this college, ISME?
The reason I chose ISME when compared to other colleges is because of the student-teacher ratio.
Okay.
So when compared to other colleges, you have a large crowd. So in ISME, there's a smaller crowd, and then there's more concentration towards the studies, and then it's easier for us to go and approach the teachers, and they're more available to us.
How is faculty here?
Faculty are very friendly, and then they motivate us to go and participate in intercollegiate fests and events, and also in events in our college like TEDx and all of that. Yeah.
Tell me something about the exposure here.
For the international exposure, we're going to Singapore and having like a week trip. So
Okay.
we get to study there and understand the environment.
Do you have to pay extra for this?
No, it's included in the fees itself.
Okay, international exposure.
The international exposure here is very nicer. So we have an 8 to 10 days exposure in Singapore. Our students have gone there recently, so they can brief you more about it. And talking about the pathways internationally, you have tie-ups with like Yokohama Institute and all of them, and Malaysian University too. There's THWS, that is in Germany. That's another program. That is only for a few selected students, and that is for 6 months. And as I said, only for few selected students.
Okay. This is the football ground which ISME is providing you. There you have the cricket court, cricket practice court, and there is one more stadium that is known for the basketball court. There are only few university or the colleges which are giving you this type of facility inside the campus. You do have basketball, you do have the football court, you do have the cricket ground or the practice pitches, you do have the indoor hostel facility. These are the things which many of the colleges and many of the universities in Bangalore is not giving you. So these are the special things which you have to take care before taking admission in any of the B school or the university. Basketball court, and on my right if you can see, this is the volleyball court. So ये कुछ ऐसी facilities हैं जो बहुत कम university या colleges में आपको देखने को मिलेंगी inside the campus. कमरे के अंदर चलते हैं, दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं. This is the boys' hostel with a two-seater, two chair, two table, two almiras, and the one most important thing for me is the cross ventilation. So here we are in the auditorium of ISME College, auditorium which has a capacity of 200 to 250 students. Hopefully we have some students here.
Hi, I'm Shweta. I'm from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
I'm pursuing my BBA.
BBA. Tell me something about this college.
ISME is a great place for all the commerce students because it's a B school. They mainly focus on the commerce background and all the courses related to commerce.
Tell me something about the international exposure here.
Okay, international exposure. We've been to Singapore. So it's a 10-day immersion program where we had workshops, industrial visits, and then life at fun at Singapore.
So you have to pay extra for this.
No, everything is included in the fee.
And what about the fee structure?
The fee structure is for whole 3-year BBA, I would say it's around 7.45 lakhs.
Okay.
And for BCom plus ECCA for BCom, it's 6.45 lakhs.
Okay. Is it worth it really to go to Singapore and all?
With respect to the how it impacts our curriculum wise, we had workshops and industrial visits over there. So in the workshops, you had faculties from MDIS coming and teaching us about various courses. One of them was AI, another is business leadership, another was e-commerce. So they take classes for us, and they are faculties with a lot of experience, and it's experience wise as in not just teaching but even the corporate experience as well. So they bring a lot to the table and they share it with us, so we have a lot to learn from that, and you get to know various tricks and tips from them as well. And as for the industrial visits, you go to different companies and you understand how they function and how they have played a very significant role in Singapore's development. And few of the companies, if I were to name them, were Makino, MAS, that is the Monetary Authority of Singapore, and we had Volvo, then we had LTA, that's the Land Transport Authority of Singapore.
Do we have any value-added courses also here?
Here at ISME,
ISME,
yeah,
yes.
we do. We have for every semester we have different courses. So one of them was Python, then you had Tableau. So it keeps changing every semester. So you have some of the other value-added courses. It normally happens on the weekends. Yeah.
How many students are here in BCom?
There'll be around 40 to 50 students. The max which we from our batch, it's 60 students in BCom. And then I'll talk about BCom and ACCA. Here in ISME, the course ACCA is provided along with BCom, which is a compulsory course. And then the other BBA students, they have the option of choosing ACCA additionally.
Is there any added advantage with this batch size of 60 only?
Yes, there is an advantage because if there's a lot of people in the class, the attention span also reduces for the students, and then it's difficult for the teachers also to teach like a huge number.
And in terms of placements?
And in terms of placements, it's easier because there's that positive competition among the students, and then it's not like too much competition also, so it's easier for everyone to have like equal participation in
Tell me something about the placement scenario in ISME.
For the last batch also, it's really good. Companies like KPMG, EY, Deloitte have like selected students from ISME for their job roles.
For which profile?
So there are various profiles in which in finance it may be financial analyst, entry level jobs, accounts
I
payable
have talked to
associate.
many of the students in Bengaluru colleges. They people are said that companies are coming, but mostly companies are coming for the sales background.
No, in
Is the same
ISME it's
happening
not.
in this ISME also?
No. The placement committee here is really good. The COC department of ISME. So they bring various companies according to the specialization.
Okay.
So if people from finance want to opt in for, so we have an option in our third year whether to opt in or opt out of the placement cycle, because some people might go for higher studies. So the people who are opting in, according to their specialization, company, the COC filter out the company, the job roles.
What is
And
the on an average package here?
so on an average, I'll say 5 to 6 L.
Okay, and what about the highest?
Highest last year it was 9.
9.
Yes.
Okay. What about the ROI here? Return on investment.
It
You
is
have to
what-
spend 7 to 8 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
And without hostel. With hostel, it is almost 10 to
No.
11 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
What is the ROI?
But as he rightly said that the highest package was 9 lakh. So if a person who just graduated from BCom or BBA is getting 9 lakhs,
But
then
highest can we go for to one people's 2, 3, 4,
but
5.
even average is 5. So it's definitely return on investment if we are just earning that much in first year and we're just the graduates.
In most of the colleges, I have seen that the focus is for the PGDM students. What about in ISME?
I think this is the first campus where they had started with the UG courses as well, and for a starting college that has recently started it, I mean, it's been a couple of years now, it's still pretty great because like few of them had said, the number of people in the class is just 50 to 60 students, whereas if you go to other colleges it goes to like 80 and 100 and stuff. So the individual attention you're getting is really great, and that I feel that if the teacher can individually focus on students and they can address our problems, like they are approachable anytime, so you can literally go meet any teacher, any faculty, even up to the director. After 4:30 you can just go talk to them about any problem you're facing or anything that you need help with, any guidance. So they're always ready to help you, and that I feel is very great in this college.
One strength and one weakness of this college.
Okay, one strength of ISME, I would say it is like for its international exposure and the industry experts and internship programs. And one weakness, I would say, the traveling, maybe the metro station and everything are quite far from here.
Okay.
So that
And
would
you?
be a weakness.
Strength would be the population here. It's not like hugely populated, so even the student teacher ratio
Number of
is
student intake is
strength.
less.
And then as for weakness, the location,
Okay.
it's kind of far from the central Bangalore, so
Okay.
for transit and all it might be problem for few students.
Okay.
To talk about strength, I would clearly say that life at ISME is really good. Like other than academics, we have around 40 plus events at ISME. So life at ISME is really good. People get a chance to organize, volunteer for this event and learn management skill. And to talk about weakness, as all mentioned, the weakness would be location, as it is far away from the city. It's a bit far. Commute is there, but still it is a bit far, and due to traffic, we cannot commute daily basis to main city.
Strength is faculties.
Okay.
They are really reachable and so helpful. Weakness, they all mentioned. I don't think there is any more
So
weakness.
these are the students of ISME. If you directly want to connect these students, current students name and number, or the pass out students name and number, so that you can connect directly to the students and get to know the real picture of ISME college. You do have my number on the screen. You can WhatsApp me also, so that I can share you the name and number of these pass out students. We are with Pallavi ma'am, head of admission and international relation. Ma'am, welcome you. Ma'am, please tell me something about this ISME. Why this ISME? Because there are many colleges in Bangalore. Why students choose this ISME college as compared to other colleges?
Okay. See, ISME college, our mission is to make successful professionals. And the student who's coming from far off, from many 20 plus states, why are they coming? They are coming to become successful professional ultimately. Now, why ISME? There are a lot of variables. Why ISME? I can count on my fingers. Number one is the quality of faculty members and quality of leadership team.
Okay.
By quality, what do you mean? Quality is their backgrounds. From where have they graduated? So most of our faculty members are from top IIT, IIM colleges, not only the Indian top colleges but also from abroad.
Okay.
Most of our faculty are PhD holders, and we have many full-time faculty members, almost more than 40 full-time faculty members for very less intake of students. So our faculty can give individual attention to all the students, and the students can get a lot of opportunities and facilities at ISME. So we have an on-campus hostel where students stay with each other. On-campus hostel is that after 4 o'clock, when your classes finish, 4 o'clock to night, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, you are still continuously learning from each other. You are interacting, doing sports, learning teamwork, leadership.
So this hostel is compulsory for each and every student?
It is not compulsory. It is you can take or you can stay outside as a paying guest. But most of the students like to be in the hostel.
So what about those who have stay outside the hostel for the facility like evening classes or something, or evening facility like library or lab?
Students who are staying outside the hostel will not be getting the facilities of the hostel because for security reasons. So the students who are a part of the hostel, they get all the facilities of the hostel.
So here we comes in the most important part of this college, ISME, in the cafeteria in which we do have lots of gups along with the nice food. अगर हम खाना दिखाने की कोशिश करें, so this is the food counters available here, जहाँ पे हमें lunch, evening snacks and morning breakfast भी available होता है. कुछ दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं किस तरह का खाना हमें मिलता है hygiene wise, quality wise. This is the North Indian food, दाल, राइस, राजमा, चावल, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको मिलने की कोशिश करेंगी. ये कैफेटेरिया है जिसको हम देख सकते हैं, जो ओपन कैफेटेरिया है. बहुत अच्छा वाइब्स आ रहा है हमें. चलिए कोशिश करते हैं कुछ बच्चों से बात करने के लिए. You can see the quality of the food here. So this is a North Indian food, I hope so, Tarandeep.
Yeah, it's a mix of both.
Okay, so how is the food quality here?
The food quality is pretty nice. Like what one would expect is up to the standard. It's not bad at all.
So what type of food is available here? North Indian, South Indian?
Yeah,
or
it's a mix of both because on certain days we have more South Oriented food and on certain days no.
तरनदीप कहाँ से हो आप?
मैं कश्मीर.
कश्मीर से हो. कश्मीर से है तरनदीप और आप देखने की कोशिश करिए क्वालिटी हाइजीन वाइज फूड कैसा है, टेस्ट वाइज क्या क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे मेन्यू
We
में?
get everything. We from north to south. We get rasma, we get sambar. From south we get chole bhature, everything similar.
बेटा आप बताइए किस तरह का खाना अवेलेबल होता है यहाँ पे? आप कहाँ से हो, आपका नाम क्या है?
मैं अहमदाबाद से हूँ और मेरा नाम ऋषि है और मैं यहाँ पे BCA कर रहा हूँ। तो फूड की क्वालिटी यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छी है और यहाँ पे काफ़ी डिफरेंट टाइप्स के वेरिएशंस है फूड में और हर दिन हमें हर मील अलग मिलता है, ऐसा नहीं कि वो रिपीट होते खाना।
मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इज हाइजीन। हाइजीन कैसा?
बहुत ज़्यादा हाइजीन है, प्लेट क्लीन रहते हैं और जो भी हमारे स्पून और जो भी यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं वो सारे क्लीन होते हैं।
मुझे बच्चों से बात करके पता लग रहा है कि हाइजीन वाइज, क्वालिटी वाइज एंड द फूड वाइज एंड द वेरिएशन वाइज खाना काफ़ी अच्छा दिखाई दे रहा है। वो तो खाने के बाद ही पता लगेगा है कि कैसा है। कोशिश करूँगा मैं खाने की और फिर उसके बाद फीडबैक देने की कोशिश करूँगा, लेकिन अगर मैं देखने की कोशिश करूँ या दिखाने की कोशिश करूँ तो खाना इज़ अमेजिंग। बहुत अच्छा एटमोसफियर है, क्वालिटी ऑफ द फूड बहुत अच्छा है। नॉर्थ इंडियन, साउथ इंडियन, चाइनीज़ हर तरह का खाना अवेलेबल है यहाँ काउंटर्स पे। इज दिस फूड इज अवेलेबल ओनली फॉर द हॉस्टल पर्सन और द हॉस्टल स्टूडेंट्स और फ्रॉम द डे स्कॉलर्स आल्सो?
It's for mostly for the hostelers, but day scholars can buy it.
Okay, so how much is the cost for this
Like
थाली?
around 100.
100 रुपीज़। 100 रुपीज़ में थाली परचेज कर सकते हो और वो एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द फूड द डे स्कॉलर कैन ऑल्सो परचेज फ्रॉम द काउंटर एंड द फूड क्वालिटी वाइज इज़ वेरी सुपर्ब एंड द प्राइस इज़ 100 रुपीज़ फॉर दिस थाली। थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट।